Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and sometimes a little lifestyle. But for today's video, we are going to be focusing on scalp health. So CurlSmith went ahead and sent me their Detox Microbiome Scalp System, which is a 3-step kit that helps promote a healthy scalp. You guys know a healthy scalp equals healthy hair growth. So this is one that I was super excited to try. So we're starting off on day 4 hair. We're going to go ahead and wet it down. And then we're going to start off by using step 1, which is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So what I love about these products is that they're labeled, so it's very easy to follow and you know exactly what step to do at what time. So step 1 is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. It's enriched with prebiotics and fermented rice water. So for those of you who know, fermented rice water is a powerhouse when it comes to hair growth. I personally have not experimented with fermented rice water, but I've been intrigued too. But knowing that this product already contains fermented rice water, it makes it a lot easier. So the purpose of this primer essentially is just to protect your hair before clarifying. It does have a lot of slip, so it was really easy to run my fingers through my hair in the process. So once you fully massage the primer on your scalp and on your hair, leave it in and follow up with step 2. So step 2 is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. It's enriched with probiotics and apple cider vinegar. This scrub is supposed to help exfoliate and clarify your scalp without drying out your hair. Now, this is not your typical scrub. It's not going to have the typical microbeads. This actually has such microfine particles that you do not feel it at all, and you don't feel any residue left over when you wash it out. So I just apply step 2 directly on my scalp and just break down any dirt or buildup that I may have on my scalp. And then I just work the step 2 throughout the rest of my hair. I'm somebody who typically shampoos all of my hair. I know that there's a thing where people just shampoo your scalp. I used to be that person till I started to realize that I do build up a lot of product on my hair. So it's very important for me to make sure that when I do shampoo and clarify my hair, I'm getting all of my hair. So once I'm done thoroughly massaging the product throughout my scalp and all over my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. So now that the product is rinsed out, we're gonna go ahead and follow up with the step 3, which is the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. This might be my absolute favorite step. This product contains mint and tea tree oil, so it's amazing on the scalp. You guys know I talk about this all the time. I love any type of product that contains any type of freshness directly to my scalp. I love making my scalp feel like a candy cane. Like, that is just such a vibe for me. Love it, love it, love it. So what you're gonna do is actually pump some of this conditioner and apply it directly to your scalp. I know it's not the typical way to apply a conditioner, but since we just clarified our hair, the postbiotics, mint, and tea tree are gonna help nourish, soothe, and rebalance our scalp from all the clarifying we just did. So now that the conditioner is distributed throughout all of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle. This conditioner is actually thicker than I expected it to be, but it's actually doing really well when it comes to detangling my hair, so I'm not mad at it. Once you're done detangling, you're gonna go ahead and keep this conditioner in for about 2 minutes. And once you're all set with that, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it out and continue on with the rest of our wash day. All right guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm actually deep conditioning as we speak. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I put in my hair. So I ended up using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. This was the only mask that I had on me in the shower. Otherwise, everything is in my studio right now. I have like my products all set up down in my studio. So I didn't get the chance to actually go down and pick a deep conditioner. So I went ahead and just went with what was in the shower. I absolutely love this one. It makes my hair feel super soft, moisturized, super hydrating. So this is always gonna be an oldie but a goodie. And I actually just ran out. I'm so sad. So I have to pick up another one of these. I have to add this to my list of empties. But to talk about how my scalp is feeling right now, you guys, my scalp feels so fresh. Like, it is feeling like I have a like wintry fresh, I don't know, I just feel like I grabbed some peppermint and just like rubbed it on my scalp. Feels so freaking good. The blueberry and the mint, it just smells so good. So this is the first products I've ever used from CurlSmith. I'm always intrigued when anything is about scalp health. I'm always intrigued. So Being that this was a 3-step kit, I was like, all right, perfect. I have to try it. I can definitely see myself adding this to my routine. I think it was the conditioner, that calming conditioner just gave that extraness, because step 1 and 2, you felt the mintiness on the scalp, but step 3 was the one. Step 3 was the one that like really did it for me. It was so soothing and relaxing on my scalp. Like right now, my scalp is tingling, but not too aggressively. I feel like it's tingling in the right way. I'm super happy that this was one of the first products that I tried, because I just love everything, all things scalp health. I've started to focus on my scalp health mainly these last 2 years, and my hair has been flourishing. Mainly this last year, but these last 2 years is when I realized like, oh, maybe the key to healthy hair growth is a healthy scalp. So this is definitely an awesome kit. If you guys have been thinking about picking this up, definitely give it a shot. I don't know. I'm absolutely loving the way my scalp feels right now, and I'm excited to redo this. I'm excited to try it again, so yep. So I'm gonna keep this deep conditioner in my hair for a bit, and then once I style my hair, I will come back and share my final thoughts with you guys. Just kidding, I'm back. I actually decided not to style my hair. I ended up getting lazy after doing things around the house all day, so I just slicked it back in a bun to hop on this video for you guys. Back to the detoxing kit. I 1000% recommend. I cannot wait to wash my hair again with this kit. So all the products in the set are super clean, and what I do love is that they give you the step-by-step instructions on the back, and it explains what each product does. So it makes it very easy for those who don't really know much about the science behind the products. The cool thing is that they do the work for you. You just have to go ahead and read it. And these products are curly girl friendly, vegan, contain no sulfates, silicones, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. Like I said, I am so excited to use these again. I recommend doing this once a month, no more than that, just because it is a detoxing kit. And since it is 3 steps, there's no need for you to do it weekly. I think it'll be a little too harsh on the hair and on your scalp, so I think once a month would be suffice. At most twice a month, so like every 2 weeks is as much as I would recommend. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this quick little review. I did want to share with you guys a little bit more in depth how I felt about this kit. I did put up a demo on Instagram, but you can only explain videos so much on Instagram. I figured I would do more of an in-depth review here on YouTube, so I really hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!